All right, it is 5:46. Welcome back. Making sure you have everything you need to lead a healthy lifestyle. The Public Health Resource Fair is taking place in Peoria on Monday.
That's right, and joining us this morning to share all the details about it are Jovan Matthews, a community health worker, and Stephanie Strait, an environmental health coordinator with the Peoria City and County Health Department. Thank you both so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having us.
Bright and early.
Yeah, just a little bit, yeah.
So first of all, tell us a little bit about what people can expect at the Resource Fair this weekend.
Yeah, so the Resource Fair is actually on Monday from 12 to 4 p.m. And basically we're having a bunch of vendors, a bunch of local community organizations to come in, promote services or programs they may have, as well as any clinics, as well as PCAPs who are actually going to be there as well, just to promote everything public health related and anything health resource related.
I love that.
Yeah.
So not just people, but animals too.
Exactly.
Fantastic.
Exactly. Yep.
Why do you think it's so important to have events like this? Because I think we've been reporting on the disparities that already exist in healthcare and whatnot, and there may be some people who don't have the opportunity to really get their health conditions looked at or looked after. So why do you think events like these are so important?
I would say, honestly, this is an event that you can come to, and it's we're trying to make it more easily accessible. We are located on Sheridan, so near Peoria High School as well. And we wanted to bring everything to one location. We know health access is a big challenge facing Peoria County. And so bringing everything to one place so that you don't have to go to different places and having those services there and being able to connect you with all these different types of organizations, we felt like was the best way to do it. And this is one of the first events we're throwing in our health department. So we figured it'd be the best thing to do right now.
And I recognize that you also want to focus it on a theme, is that right?
Yes, yes.
So what should people recognize that theme to be this year?
Yeah, do you want to talk about that?
Yeah, it's the 30th anniversary of National Public Health Week, which is a week that is celebrated the first week in April, basically highlighting all the different achievements in public health. So it's a great time to come and learn about all the different resources at our beautiful new building. If you haven't been in it, it's amazing, and it's for the community, so we want the community there.
Most definitely.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
So I also want to ask, how can people sign up to attend? Is there a process they need to go through? Are there tickets? How can people get there?
Yeah, so it's actually free. You do not have to register before coming in, and we kind of wanted to make it where you just kind of pop in as like anytime. We do realize it's during the working day, during lunch hour as well. So you can come in through the health department, come and stop in and visit a couple programs or services for 10 minutes if you have it, and then you can pop right back out. You don't need any registration, you don't need to sign anything, making it easily accessible for anybody who wants to come.
Okay.
Yeah, and before we go, we are going to go ahead and show the details on the screen of course, where people can go and whatnot. But what is the end goal? What do you hope people take away from an event like this?
Ultimately, we want people to just make sure that they know who we are, that we have a presence here in Peoria County. The health department wants to make sure that there are resources, plentiful resources here in Peoria County, and to make sure that we have a lot of local organizations willing to help you and willing to be there for you if you need it. And so that's the main thing we're trying to advertise right now.
Most definitely. Yeah, I don't think people realize how many resources are there in Peoria, the city and the county. So
yep, exactly.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you guys.
Thanks for having us.
We'll share all those details on our website, ciproud.com. Just click on the WMBD This Morning tab under News.